guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome to my May favorites. I can't believe the year is almost halfway done. Like, it feels like yesterday it was Jan and it was New Year and I was excited about this year, and right now not so much. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you guys what are the products that I've been loving over the month of May. There are not too many favorites, but I've been using these over the month continuously non-stop. So yes, if you'd like to know what my favorites are, then please keep on watching. So my most favorite product for this month has to be the PAC Retro Matte Gloss in the shade 15. So I've been wearing this almost every other day, and even when I'm going to college, no matter where I'm going, I'm wearing this. It's a proper bright nice red color and I've just been wearing it so much. Every time I upload a selfie in this, at least one person asks me what this lip color is. It's a beautiful red lip color, stays matte, stays on my lips for the whole day, and I don't know, I'm just gravitating towards red a lot lately, and this is the one that I've been wearing non-stop. It's been in my vanity and I carry it around everywhere, and I've just been using this non-stop. Another lip color that I've been wearing a lot is the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Blush Velvet. So there are days where I can't wear red because it does not go with my outfit or I want it to be a little subtle. I use this or I mix both of them. So the combination of these two is literally the one that I wear the most. Otherwise I wear this solo and then I wear this. So in my makeup pouch, these two are always there. There's a red and there's a neutral pink nude color. So depending on what I'm wearing, I pick my shade. But yes, I've been using these two like crazily. The next product that I've been using a lot is the Vitamin E Skincare Facial Oil by Skin La Creme. So I've mentioned this in one of my previous favorites, and in between I just reduced using it because I was on a prescribed routine and I wasn't using too many products on my skin. But now once my prescription medicines are over, I'm back to this and I'm loving it. I forgot how amazing this made my foundation look. Honestly guys, you mix just 2 drops of this in your foundation and your skin is gonna glow. This makes your foundation really smooth and it just gives it that nice dewy effect, which I love, and I really like the end result after using this, because this not only provides that dewiness, this also has skincare properties. It has vitamin E, which is really good for your skin. So yes, I've been using this non-stop again with my foundation. So the next 2 products are from a page on Instagram called Bubble Farm. So they are a home run store and they make handmade skincare products, and they have a lot of products. So they sent me a couple of them to test and review them. I've been using them for I think 30-35 days now, and 2 of the products have worked brilliantly for me and I'm going to share them with you guys. So the first one is the Kaolin Clay Cleanser / Mask. So this comes in the form of a powder. You need to mix it with water, or you can even mix it with green tea or herbal tea and apply it on your face. Use it as a cleanser and then you can leave it back as a mask, and once it's dried out you can wash it off. So the first thing that I noticed, that it does not dry out my skin. This is something that can be used with every skin type. This does not dry out my skin, and on the days that my skin was feeling oily, this really controlled the oil. So it's a really nice product, especially for balancing the pH level of your skin, because honestly guys, when I use this, my skin just feels normal. It feels extremely clean, and this does have certain thick particles. They're not very harsh, so it acts like an everyday exfoliant, and I love face washes that do that, because I feel like a face wash is just not enough. I need that mild exfoliation on a regular basis, and this does that. And also there are days when my skin is feeling really irritated and annoyed, especially because of the heat, and when I use this, this really like soothes my skin. So this is something that has really been working for me. If you can see, I've used a lot of it, so I've been using it every single day, sometimes even twice a day, and I really like this product. So the next product from Bubble Farm that I've been loving is their detox pack. So this is supposed to be mixed either with water or with aloe vera gel and apply it as a mask, leave it on until it dries and then wash it off. So this surprisingly has worked really well for me. I've tried such charcoal masks before and I've never liked them, but this one has really worked. So I've been using it non-stop with aloe vera gel, because aloe vera provides a nice cooling effect, and with the current heat I need all the cooling that I can get. So what this does is basically, first of all, removes all the excess serum, oil secretion. It also helps in fighting acne. The main thing why I love this is because after I use this, my skin feels like baby butt soft. Like, it makes my skin feel so freaking soft and even, and that's mainly because it helps with the pores, so my skin feels really soft. But at the same time, whatever the excess oil, dirt and sweat that I have all goes up, and literally it feels like my skin is being detoxed, because all of my pores are shut, they are clean, and my skin feels amazing. So if you can see, I've used quite a bit of it, and for a mask that's a lot. So I've actually been using it like thrice a week, and there was a time when I used it continuously for 3 days because that's how much I love it. So there's one sort of downside to this, that once you use it and take it off, it leaves like a slight black layer, so you might want to go back in with your face wash and clean your face. That's at times if you leave it on for too long maybe, but otherwise this product has worked so well, and it's a really great mask to go for, especially with the kind of heat that we are having. And if you really want something to detox your skin with, then I would highly recommend this to you guys. My next favorite product, which is definitely something I've been using every other day, is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlight Powder. This is in the shade Precious Pearls. Guys, this highlighter is so freaking gorgeous. Like, I'm just gonna swatch it, like just one swipe of that, and it's so pigmented. And look at the payoff, guys. Like, that is so freaking stunning. So what I love about this is that you apply a small layer and it will be natural, nice glow, and you go over to the second layer and you will be glowing to the gods. You're gonna blind people, and it just looks stunning. So it's the highlighter that I'm wearing right now, and if you guys can see, it's such a nice, beautiful glow. The shade is amazing. It's something that will definitely work with Indian skin tones, no matter what your skin color is. Even if you're from the deeper skin family, this is something that will definitely work for you. So Wet n Wild is not really available here, I know, but there are pages on Instagram who sell it, and I bought this from a page on Instagram. I'm going to leave their link in the bottom bar so you can go try if they still have it. But guys, if you can get your hands on any of Wet n Wild's highlighter, you definitely should, because they're so easy on the pocket and they work amazingly. So those are all the products. Now coming to some other favorites that I have over the month of May. So there is a show that I've been watching and I love it. I'm on season 4 I think now, and it's called Mom. It's a really fun show. You're going to have such a nice laugh while watching, and it's very interesting the way they've done it. So yes, that's the show that I've been watching a lot. Apart from that, I want to mention my song favorites also this month. So every month I have certain favorites and I just listen to them on repeat, and the next month I forget about them. That's how I am when it comes to songs. But there are certain songs that I love even after like years. So this month, the one song that I've been listening to non-stop is by Coldplay. It's called Something Like This. I absolutely love that song, guys. It's such a nice song. Like, no matter what my mood is, I love listening to it and it just makes me very happy. So yes, that's my favorite song of the month. Also, my Channa Mereya obsession is back. Like, when the song came out, I was so obsessed with it. Like, I kept listening to it, and then like usual, I stopped listening to it after a while, and now I don't know how my obsession is back and I'm listening to them all the time. And people in my house think I'm a Dukhi Atma because I'm just listening to that song 24/7 and singing it. And when I listen to it and sing it, I just feel very emotional. Sometimes I even start tearing up because I imagine the whole scene, and Ranbir acted so well. So yes, my Channa Mereya obsession is back. I've been listening to that a lot, and that's also my favorite song for this month. So those are all my favorites for the month of May. I really hope you guys like this video. Before I sign off, I'm going to be doing an Ask MPS video the coming week, and I did get a couple of questions on social media, but I wanted to ask you guys for some questions as well from my YouTube family. So leave all your questions down below. You can ask me questions about me, about my family, about what I do, and anything that you want to know about my life. Just don't forget to comment down below and use the hashtag AskMPS, and I'll answer them really soon in a video the coming week. So yes, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. All the links are given in the bottom bar, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.